slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I can't believe it's almost 11 p.m. and I'm slow. I'm traveling tomorrow to go see my mom and I'm so excited. I'm prepping. I've been batch recording content today, so I have a lot of backlogs to edit so I can schedule to post for the week because I don't think I'm going to be vlogging. No, I don't think I'm going to be making UTC content where I'm going because the network is hella bad. Although I'm going to be posting the ones I have, so I have to edit them tonight, which I've been doing. So I'll get to that. So guys, if you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe and you guys follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I'll link it here. Follow me guys. It's really late, so I think I should go sleep now, but I still have one task to finish so that I won't be like working this week. So for the rest of the week, literally. So I'll do that, then I'll go to bed. Good night, Shami. See you tomorrow. So quick one, guys. I'm about to leave home now to go get my car or bus, whatever I find, I'll go with it. See you guys on the trip. So guys, now I'm heading to the park. Yeah. Guys, I made it, and in my mom's house. So I just got in, so I want to settle in now. I'll see my mom. I don't want to show her in the camera. She doesn't like it. So this is where I grew up, literally, guys. I'm so happy to be back home. It's been a long time that I've not come home, but now I'm back here. We meet to my mom's farm or garden. You guys see my mom's farm. We have banana, we have plantain, we have everything. There's even cassava. There's cassava. Where is yam there? Yam. This is yam. Okay, this one. You have maize too. Okay, yam no lele. How to ali? You have pepper too. See pepper. Ooh. Vibing with my mom. Vibing with my mom. Hey besties, welcome back. Oh my god, my earring has removed too. Guys, I want to like unpack a few things that I'll be using like literally every day. So that means my skincare, my body care essentials. I want to offload them and put them where I can see them and easily access them. And that's my mom. I'm so happy just that I'm around. So let's organize that now somewhere where I can. I was in uni for the best personality female. Can you see that? I used to make friends, a lot of friends. In fact, people used to like me when I was in school, so they gave this in my fellowship. Guys, check it out. Good morning, people. Good morning, guys. Wow, this one is so blinding. Everywhere is so bright this morning. Can you see? Oh my god. Yeah, so I want to do my exercise this morning. I slept so good, really. I enjoyed my sleep, so I want to get some workout in. I bought my skipping rope, I I brought my skipping rope with me, so let's do. Rice toner I just got. So next up is this serum. I always say I've using it for years and it's working, guys. Next up is this moisturizer. Works well as well. So guys, I don't know if you feel the same way, but there's one thing that is always different when you're like home with your parents that I like. The serenity, I don't know, the environment is always quite different. It's not as if where I came from is not, it's peaceful, right? But like I'm loving the nature air, and my mom has a farm, so everything's just so nice. I don't know, it's also different. maybe okay, I'll just say that maybe because I live in the city. Where I am is in the city as well. Like it's in the city as well, but where our house is like far from where all the fun is. But I just love the serenity, the peace, the love, the quietness, especially the quietness is so cute. It's so lovely. Like you just be there in your space, doing you, no hustle and bustle, no rush. Do you get? Even if you step out, the place is so quiet, everywhere is just so peaceful, calm. I love the weather. Like this morning when I was walking out, you guys can see like the way the sun shined on my face. It was just so like so cool. I don't know what I'm saying, guys, but yeah. But I love it here. I love it here. I really love it here. So to this is the last step in my skincare routine. Every morning, don't skip your sunscreen. Your sunscreen is very important. You guys, I'm sure that you'll be sick of me telling me telling you that your sunscreen is important every time. But don't be sick at me, guys. That's what makes a glowing skin. And be generous. Whoever watches my TikTok will be like, this girl, every time you say be generous. And people be like, they'll come for me that skincare is expensive. It's expensive, but then, my darling, if you want to see results, to use enough of your sunscreen. If you want to see results, you don't use enough. Can you see? No white cast. So there was this thing that someone said, I just remembered now. It was on TikTok. So she was in her skincare. She was like, there are parts of the face that people miss out to use skincare on. And she mentioned this place, your ears. Like, if you don't use your sunscreen or the way you apply your face here, you are guilty of not doing your skincare well. Like, I'm literally guilty. Sometimes I forget my ears, my neck. But sometimes, most of the time I just remember my neck, but yeah, like, how you just be rubbing products here? I don't understand. But it's actually good. Yeah, so guys, we're done. So I'm basically on a break. Would I say holiday? But I love it. So enjoy. And if you're a new subscriber and you're watching this, kindly hit the subscribe button. And to my YT farm that I left for a couple of months, I'm back, guys. And I said it. This is like it's going to be my second, or no, my third vlog. After I said I'm back. Now you believe me, right? I am back, giving you back-to-back content. So, guys, enjoy. Catch you guys later. It is day 3 of my rest holiday. Coming to see my mom, anything you can call it. I'm watching one traditional movie like that. All these Yoruba movies. Yeah, I've not seen them in like a long time. That's my mom's favorite. She likes watching all these old Yoruba movies. So, man, I'm just enjoying the vibe here, honestly. You guys should enjoy the vibe as well. Catch you guys later. Hi guys, good morning. Today is Saturday. I'm going tomorrow, which is Sunday, and I'm just feeling kind of, I don't know, mixed emotions. Yeah, so yeah, I want to do my skincare this morning. I don't know, since I've woken up, I'm like, I'm really leaving tomorrow. I'm going to miss this woman. I'm going to miss my mom. I'm going to miss her vibes, her cooking. I have to do my skincare if you guys are seeing it. Okay. I like the peace and quiet. I don't know, it's just different from the city. It's not, this is a city, like I said, like in the last time I said something. This was like, it's the city too as well, but it's quite different, sha. I don't know if you get the vibe, but this place is quite different, peaceful. I don't know, it's just always quiet. They just took the light. Welcome to this side of where they always take the light. I don't know how to pour this to now. I've been checking videos. Some do it like this. Some even do it like this. Like this. They not pour. You know? Please. Guys, if you are doing anything new that you love, that you actually want to, make a career out of, or something great out of, so this is what I will tell you: keep doing, keep pushing, just keep pushing out that content. If it's content, though, just keep pushing out. People will see you as a easy creator now, like with how many followers on TikTok? Just 348. Come and see how people are seeing my content. People refer to it most of the time. Like, I'm always like surprised and wowed, but that's just the fact. Thank God you not stress me today. You're inside or you're anywhere. Do not miss using your sunscreen in the morning, Passy. I don't know what I'm singing, guys. Just go vibe. Okay, let me try again. If you're outside, if you're inside, if you're anywhere, use your sunscreen in the morning. Girl vibe, girls. Even guys watching this video, you guys, do your skincare. So guys, I'm just going to enjoy the vibe today with my mom. Enjoy the vibe, enjoy our food, enjoy everything. And guys, I'm just chilling outside with nature. My mom is out there, she's plucking some leaves, I don't know. So let me tell you one fun thing about my mom. Like, you can't help her to do something, she would find a way to do it herself. She doesn't like people doing stuff, like it will not be like perfect. So I do get, she's one just saying, I don't even know what she's saying, but it can never be perfect for her, so she likes doing her stuff herself. So my husband leave her to it and I just watch her. Well done, well done. Even cooking self, she likes cooking and stuff. I'm like, if you carry it on, why to fish? You get that kind of vibe. But that's by the way, I'm already missing her. I'm missing her actually. Well, we'll see again. We'll see again. And I'm going to bring you guys when next I come and visit her. Yeah. Bye guys. I don't know if this will be the end of the vlog, but if you see me again after this, that means the vlog has not ended. See my mommy. I'm leaving her today. I'll miss her so much. Say hi to my YouTube fam. Say hi, mommy. Hi. So guys, I just got to my destination, but I'm still heading home. I'm on the way home. Yeah, my man came to pick me, so I'm heading home. I think this is the end of this vlog. Yeah, I'll say this is the end of this vlog. So guys, thanks for following me on this journey. And if you are watching the end of this vlog, thanks for watching, and kindly subscribe if you are new to the channel. Much appreciated. See you guys in my next vlog. Bye guys.